Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody asked me a question and I didn't know the answer and didn't really know why you would even need this, but they asked how you could change the colors of items or objects when you're working in wireframe. I never use wireframe. So wireframe turns them all black. And then my mentor stepped in and goes, yes, you can. You can go to Windows, Dockers, Objects, and just open a new layer and move the star or whatever you want into layer 2. And then you can double click on this right here and make it I'm going to go ahead and go to RGB and make it red. So now the star's red looking at it in wireframe. And you can do that for any item. Just make another layer. Let's take the lips or the circle and put it in layer 3. Double click on the color bar right there. And here we go again with the Pantone. Maybe my mentor now will check in. And let's make it that purple or lavender. So now your colors are different color. Now I never use wireframe, so I do not know why you would want to do that. But anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.